Fine. You did so. Dig right there. There you go. Very good. I dig a hole. So Mommy started digging and buried the stick, and I went to town and keep trying to rescue it. And Mommy keeps sprinkling snow on his head saying, "Avalanche! Avalanche!" Like this. Where's the snow? Avalanche! Avalanche! Save the stick! Oh, you found grass! Look at that! You found grass under there! Ooh, he dug far! I bet you going to town.
I got some cute shots.
Yeah? Yeah. He dug your grass.
Yeah, that's still looking you have to watch. I don't see it.
Uh-oh. No, don't dig up the grass.
You have to just dig a new hole.
Okay.
Start a new hole.
No digger! No grass. No. No grass. Hey! Don't get sassy with me. Alright, we're turning off the video now. Bye-bye.